Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a Coach unboxing. This video may be a little quick, y'all. I also have an unboxing from Brandy Chantel that I should have unboxed a while ago and I forgot to put in my last video, but it'll definitely be in this one. But y'all, this video may be a little quick because, and let me know if it's just me, this is probably the first time that this has happened. Have y'all ever ordered a bag and after you ordered it and it's shipped, you already know that you're not going to keep it? I think that was the case with this one. I ordered this bag and after I did more research after ordering the bag, I realized that the color was not what I was expecting. So we're going to take a look at it here in person. I'm probably not going to fully unwrap it because I know for sure that I'm going to return it and exchange it for another bag, another color as well. But I wanted to record this one with you all, even though I know I'm not going to keep it like I said. And this is an accessory that I'm hoping that matches it. That's why I ordered it separately. This is from the outlet to see if it matches it because I found out that this particular color is a limited edition color, and so I guess once it sells out, that's it. I don't know if it's kind of like a test run to see if they are going to maybe make the bag in a different, make the color in a different silhouette. So we shall see if I can get the string untied, y'all. But this is a Coach Tabby. And this is in the color Pecan. I know there's a great debate on that word. I pronounce it Pecan. To me, that's the only way to pronounce it. But this is the color, y'all. So I at least want you all to see what it looks like in person. It did ship from a store, I believe. Especially since it doesn't have the bag and everything on it. And this is a Tabby 26. I did expect the color to be a little bit more richer. To me, it's a little bit more dark. With the additional lighting on, it probably does look brighter. So I'm going to turn that off to see if you all can see the difference. And if you are watching and you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time that I upload a video. And thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers as well. It looks like it has like a little nick on that back bottom portion as well. But this is what it looks like without the light. I think without the additional light, because I still have a light on it. I think on camera and online, it still kind of looks brighter. But to me, I would probably just categorize this as a regular brown. I did expect it to be more of maybe have more of a red undertone and not have the Coach Tabby here in Burnished Amber with the signature Jacquard. I was expecting it to be a little bit closer to this. Let me turn it back on the back side because I'm not going to unwrap the front. But let me see if you can see the differences. There is a difference. Again, on camera, it looks with the light. It does look a little bit more brighter. But it's not this color that I was expecting. Just kind of more of a richer color. It's kind of hard for me to explain it. And this pecan color comes in one other silhouette, which is the chain tabby. And that particular bag is made of goat leather. And I believe I included that in my video. I have a shop with me video from Dillard's that I had not uploaded for you all yet, but I believe I saw that in store, but I can't recall if it was in the case where I couldn't actually touch it or if I did see it. And I think in the quilted leather and with it being goat skin, I think the tones to me are a little bit different as well, even though they still have the same name. So this is a slim card case in the color Sable. And I found this on the Coach outlet website as well. This was on the retail site, and this was on the outlet side. But even this online, it looked like it had more of a red undertone. I also ordered this same card case in the color Saddle, which has not arrived yet, but I wanted to go ahead and record this video since I already know I'm not going to keep the bag. But clearly you can see there's a difference here. I would say without the lighting on this bag, it probably looks more like this card case. But you can clearly see the difference in the two. The card case beside it does make it look a little bit more red. And this looks more brown, darker brown than this one. But y'all, it's not what I expected. I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to go ahead and take all the wrapping off. But you can at least see this particular bag because that was part of the challenge. I didn't see many videos or anything on it when I ordered it. And I don't recall when I ordered it, well, after I ordered it, I saw the video a little further down on the Coach website where they have a black one where they're showing like the structure of it and everything. So it is pretty, this here slouches. I guess kind of what I expected. I thought that this was going to be more formed and this half slouch, but to me, when I saw the video, the whole bag looks pretty soft and flexible, should I say. But just trying to see as much without taking the wrapping off, y'all, because I don't want to. And hopefully they leave it, excuse me, hopefully they leave it wrapped even because, oh, that was another thing I found out. I didn't know that I could do a return. You can do a return at a Coach outlet. You can take a retail item to the Coach outlet. And if you're exchanging it for something online, they can order it for you from the Coach website also. So you can do a retail to retail exchange inside of the Coach outlet without having to go to the actual retail store. If a retail store is further away than the actual outlet store, then that is more convenient to be able to do that. So I at least wanted you all to be able to see that. And now I am going to go ahead and unbox these charms that I have had for a while. And like I said, I wanted to include them in the last video and I forgot. And I ordered them around the time that I took a break from recording videos. And so when I realized that I had not unboxed them to look at them, maybe I should have had my box cutter, y'all, because I did not have it nearby. And I don't want to cut that purse in the background either. So I definitely wanted to put them in this video. So let me open it. Okay, y'all. So I got it open. I am going to move these back. And if you all are new to my channel, you may not have seen any of my unboxings unless you went back to look at my previous videos for Brandy Chantel's charms. And it's not sponsored or anything. I was looking for a, oh, she put a thank you and a pretty card in here. That is so pretty. I was looking for a peach charm and I could not find one. And I ended up finding a peach charm. Like, she was the only peach charm that I could find. And that's how I discovered Brandy Chantel's website on Etsy and all of her beautiful charms. So definitely check her out. I'll put her website on the screen. So when she releases some new charms, and like I said, she has charms that you won't be able to find anywhere else. And also, as I guess you could say, as a compliment, a compliment to her, and to let you know you never know who's watching. After I unboxed the peach charm, and I would say maybe like a couple months or so, or a few months after that, if you all noticed, Coach released a peach charm as well. So you never know who's watching, y'all. Their peach charm was different. I believe it was darker. But I do like Brandy's. To me, it looked kind of more realistic. But I understand where Coach was going with wanting to have that difference and more of a, I believe it was like a gold color. But this is the plum charm. by Brandy Chantel. And as you see, of course, it has the sparkliness on here. Very pretty. I'm going to hang it from my Tabby. And this is a bundle of grapes. I believe she has a blueberry one. I'm trying to remember. It was another one that I was looking at. But I will hang the plum on here first. So y'all can see what that looks like. Cuteness. And then the grapes. And I have seen some comments of people saying thank you for sharing the unboxing of these, because they've gone to her site and found other charms that they have loved and returned to get more as well. So that's cute, y'all. I'm glad I remembered to include these in this video. But you all comment and let me know what you all think about this color. If the pecan is a color that you are going to reach for and get. And I'm sorry, I didn't even show the tag, I don't believe, with the information on it. Is this a color that you all would add to your collection, especially with it being a limited edition? Or is this a color that you feel like is kind of too close to something that you already have? I hope that's clear. CCX04. And if you prefer the pecan color, or if you prefer the burnished amber, or if you maybe just can't see a difference in it, let me know what you all think. I can see a difference, y'all. And I can do both without the lighting, because I don't think I did that before either. Pretty close, but not the same. Oh, there's also another one, another color I ordered, the wallet, that hasn't been delivered either. It's called Toffee. So I thought that that would match closer. And I think the Toffee is going to be closer to the burnished amber color, because it does look a little bit lighter. So I will see when I receive that accessory. But for now, I am going to go ahead and put this back in the bag and get it to, hopefully I can put it back how they had it, get it to the outlet to exchange it for the other bag that I prefer. And of course, when I receive that one, y'all, I will share that with you. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to reading you all's comments. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. And with this being the new year, y'all, I will always say, because this is something that I live by, to trust God and always keep God first. Believe me, y'all, you will never be disappointed. After my 2025, I know that to be absolutely true. And I would say I'm just a living witness of it. So I'll just leave it at that without getting preachy, y'all. But that's how I'm going to close out the video. So I will see y'all next time.